Hello everyone, this is Abhinav from Namaste Fragrance and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about fragrances from the Man Company and discuss if they are really worth buying. But first, what is the Man Company? Well, the Man Company was founded in 2015 and it is a one-stop shop for men's to purchase grooming products such as shaving gels, body wash, shampoo, hair gels, etc. And of course fragrances, and I mean affordable everyday fragrances. Well, they currently have 22 EDTs and 4 perfumed body sprays listed on their website. I know it seems like a lot to choose from, but is it really, or is it just a marketing trick to make it seem like they do have so many fragrances? Well, let's find out. So this is the box. This is a gift set which was gifted to me by my uncle, and this is how it looks. When you open it up, you have all the 4 perfume body sprays that are available on the Man Company's website. The box is good, pretty nice quality, hard cardboard, nothing flimsy over here. These are the bottles, okay. Pretty much all the bottles are the same, only the coloration is different. It goes with the theme of the fragrance, the colors on the bottle. The cap is pretty flimsy, plasticky, but the sprayer is good. So the first one is Blanc. It is a white bottle. Blanc means white, and it has a nice gold cap. I like the white and gold. The notes in this fragrance are, in the top it has lemon, birch leaves and cardamom. In the mid it has lavender, juniper and geranium, and in the base it has musk, amberwood and sandalwood. That sounds interesting, but trust me, the notes don't matter over here because this is a straight up lemon fragrance. Okay, it's very linear, it's pure lemon. This is one of my favorites from the lot, and sometimes a lot of you will feel like this comes across as a room freshener, like a lemon room freshener. More like a lemongrass room freshener, not exactly lemon, but yeah, it's quite lemony. Okay, so the second one is Rouge or Rogue or Rouge. So in the top it has bergamot, lemon and mint. In the mid it has sandalwood, coriander and cardamom, and in the base it has amberwood, oud and patchouli. Well, not really. This is, simply put, this is sandalwood with a very faint synthetic woody nuance to it. Okay, more than 2 sprays and this gives me a headache. I'm not a fan of this, so I don't use it that much. And the third one is Blue, and the notes here are bergamot, lavender and mandolin in the top. It has black pepper in the mid and the base is basil. But the description on the website says this is a woody tobacco fragrance, and the note breakdown tells us a different story altogether. Well, I'm seeing a theme over here with these fragrances, and the note breakdown that these guys have given, they don't really match, they don't go together. But I like this fragrance. This is my second favorite from the lot, and only because this reminds me of CK1 Shock. The fragrance is quite similar to CK1 Shock. You can say that it is a clone, but CK1 Shock is of much higher quality and a much more refined fragrance than this one. So the last one is Noir, which means black, and the notes in this really don't matter, but still here are the notes of the fragrance. And it doesn't matter because this doesn't smell anything like the notes that they have given down over here. It's supposed to be a citrusy floral fragrance, but it is not. It's fresh in the opening 2 minutes, but after that it smells like rubber. It doesn't smell that good, at least off my skin. It comes off very rubbery and not in a good way. So I don't like this fragrance. It's one of my least favorites from the lot, and my wife hates it, so I'm not gonna wear this. So moving on to the performance. The performance is actually really not bad for perfumed body sprays. Okay, I get a solid 5-6 hours from these, and which is good considering they cost less than 300 rupees each. That is less than $4 US. So wearability wise, Blanc and Blue are the most versatile ones among the lot. You can wear them all year round, daytime, nighttime, they will work. Rouge and Noir are more focused towards nighttime and cold weather. Blanc is the most versatile one among all these. You can wear this in different situations. It's very inoffensive and it is office safe. And Noir is the one I would like to completely avoid because I don't want to end up smelling like a rubber tire. Now, to answer the important question, should you buy these fragrances? It is a little complicated, so please pay attention. There are a total of 26 different fragrances listed on their website, and among all those 26 fragrances, in my personal opinion, the only one worth buying is Blanc. Not the EDT version, but the cheaper perfumed body spray version. And this is because there are a lot of fragrances which have the same note breakdown and the same write-up on the website, but they are priced differently. For example, there is Blanc EDT, which is more expensive. There is Black, which is even expensive. There is Brave, Tranquil. All these fragrances have the same note breakdown and have the same write-up on the website. And this is just not the case with Blanc, but with all the other fragrances. Like Rouge, this one, which is, I'm not a fan of this one, but Rouge, Fahrenheit, Sauvage and Ombre. Okay, these are again the fragrances with the same note breakdown and the same write-up. So please don't waste your money. Make a smart decision. In my personal opinion, save money and just go for the perfumed body spray. It's cheaper and it will serve the same purpose that the more expensive ones will. Okay, so now for the price, a 120 ml bottle of the perfumed body spray like this one will cost you around 350 rupees INR on the website, which is around $4 US. And I would recommend don't pay full retail for these. Okay, these bottles are available on discounts on different stores, so just go for the discounted ones. And just to put this in perspective, in terms of saving money, a 100 ml bottle of the EDT version of this same fragrance will cost you around 1800 rupees, and the Noir is actually more expensive. It is 2200 rupees on the website as of this video. So I would highly recommend that you guys save yourself some money and go for the perfumed body sprays, which is much cheaper. That's it from me, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you guys make better decisions when it comes to buying fragrances. And if there are any other fragrances that you guys want me to check out, please do let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to. I will have all the links in the description if you guys want to check out the fragrances from the Man Company. Till then, guys, stay safe. Smell you later. Namaste.